Hello, it's Tuesday the 2nd. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So the Bank of England's base rate has been at 5.25% for about 10 months now. Usually, over the past 50 years or so, this would have been quite enough to bring inflation back under control. However, where the G7 nations pumped so much fiscal support into their economies to counter the effect of lockdown, so inflation soared after the pandemic. And the Bank of England, for one, has certainly had its work cut out ever since to deal with such unprecedented inflationary drivers. The UK looks set to have its first Labour government in 14 years, but very little will change straight after Thursday's vote, even if they do manage to win the supermajority. The Bank of England will still jealously guard their independence, happy to work with the government to ensure growth, stability and rising employment. But with Rachel Reeves as Chancellor, those days may be numbered. Over in the US, they will be celebrating 248 years of independence on Thursday, and Powell is due to make speeches on either side of July 4th. He'll deliver the Fed minutes on Wednesday this week, and then on Friday he will react to non-farm payrolls, possibly even having played in the sweepstake. The current plan remains for the economy to have time to adjust to the higher rates and to deal with the huge fiscal stimulus provided by the Biden administration. The only real change this year is that as inflation has become that much stickier, so forward guidance has reduced the number of cuts expected by year end, and some hope that Powell will deliver an update to this plan on Friday. The Supreme Court has been on. They have confirmed that Trump has immunity against some of the charges he was facing. I mean, hope springs eternal that he'd be in jail behind bars, but was it ever really in doubt that he'd face Biden in the election? In the market so far, the euro has not been affected by the political turmoil in France. Traders seem more interested in the next ECB rate cut than the risk of bond market volatility at the moment. We kick off this morning around 126.40 against the dollar, 117.75 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 107.35 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.